Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. Indoor cycling bikes can transform your home fitness, but finding one that truly feels like a gym-quality machine without the massive price tag and clunky noise is rare. Today, we're diving deep into the YOSUDA Pro magnetic exercise bike, and I'll tell you if it lives up to the hype or if you should skip it entirely. So, what exactly is the YOSUDA Pro magnetic exercise bike? This isn't just another stationary bike, it's designed to bring a premium, silent, and stable indoor cycling experience right into your home. YOSUDA is a brand known for making accessible, high-quality fitness equipment, and this model is their answer to folks wanting an effective cardio workout without disturbing the household or breaking the bank. It's built for consistency, aiming to solve the common problems of noisy bikes, uncomfortable seats, and flimsy construction that often deter people from maintaining a home workout routine. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting your fitness journey, this bike aims to be your reliable partner. Let's dive into the core features that set the YOSUDA Pro magnetic exercise bike apart. 1. Silent magnetic resistance *. This is its prime advantage. Unlike noisy friction bikes that wear out pads, the YOSUDA Pro uses a magnetic system for completely silent operation, perfect for any time of day without disturbance. It provides incredibly smooth, consistent resistance changes, mimicking a real road bike feel, enhancing your workout quality. No friction means minimal maintenance and a long lifespan. 2. Heavy-duty stability, 350 pounds capacity. Built with a robust steel frame, this bike supports users up to 350 pounds, offering exceptional stability even during intense rides. You won't experience any wobbling or creaking, which is crucial for safety and confidence when pushing hard. This solid construction ensures durability and a secure platform for years to come. 3. Comfort-focused seat *. A major upgrade. YOSUDA Pro includes a wider, softer, and ergonomically designed seat cushion. This isn't a small detail, it significantly reduces soreness and makes longer workouts much more enjoyable and sustainable. Comfort is key to consistency, and this seat genuinely boosts your willingness to get on the bike day after day. 4. Smooth belt drive system *. Paired with magnetic resistance, the belt drive ensures an unbelievably quiet and fluid pedaling experience. No clunky chain noise or jerky movements found in cheaper models. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.